The Apple Watch Series 11 can overheat due to its powerful S11 chip and compact design. This is especially common during intense workouts and charging. watchOS 18.2 attempts to fix this by optimizing thermal management. Key causes are thermal throttling from the aluminum or titanium case, battery heat during rapid charging, and software bugs causing high CPU usage. If your watch is overheating, first update to the latest watchOS. Limit the use of demanding apps like Strava during workouts. Monitor battery health in the Watch app and enable low power mode to reduce heat generation. Remember to avoid extreme temperatures, such as saunas. If overheating persists, it may indicate a hardware fault. If software updates don't fix the overheating, it may be a hardware problem, such as a defective battery. Contact Apple for free repairs under warranty if a hardware issue is verified. Keep in mind that overheating can damage battery life, decreasing its overall capacity gradually. When overheating occurs during charging, turn off fast charging to lower heat, though this means longer charging periods. Looking ahead, Apple plans to add AI-based heat prediction in watchOS 18.3 for automatic performance adjustments. New materials such as graphene are expected in future models to improve heat dissipation. In the meantime, try third-party cooling accessories like ventilated bands, which can lower temperatures by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius according to user reports.